back to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, we are going to be doing Zanku dance tutorial. The last dance tutorial I posted on my channel got lots of reviews and comments and all the good stuff, so I decided to bring a tutor that is going to teach us the latest dance style as of now. I'm going to drop the name of his channel on screen. I'm also going to drop it in the description box so that I can follow him for more dance videos, because there's like...
I'm good, just say it.
He's good, actually. And I'm not going to be posting like dance all the time. So you can follow him for all the latest dance styles, dance steps, and let's get straight into the video.
So now we'll start with the average Zanku everybody knows. So you're going to make yourself have something like a key leg. Okay? Yes. So you put your legs like that. Your leg position are going to be like this. You get this is posture. So now once you get this position, right? You have to do like you are stepping on something.
No, one. So
now this is what I'm doing. Step.
So as you step like this, you still touch your leg.
Yeah, you step and you drop. Step and you drop. Step.
Okay, so
Okay. No, we're not putting hands here.
Oh, okay.
We just have the hands like so step, yes. So now this is what we're doing eventually. This leg is like this. So we're doing what? Let's start with this leg first.
Okay.
This leg, you step, drop, step, yeah. You understand? So you do like this. Exactly. So now we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do that. I will turn with it. So let's do that.
Okay.
So you've gotten the basic one. So now we'll use it and let's go this direction and come down. So let's go 1, 2, 1, nice. 1, 2, then let's turn. You get it? Okay, so basically that's it. No, yeah, I'll count for you. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Must be good. Let's start. 1, 2, exactly. Then turn. Let's turn. Now back. Nice. Okay,
Level 1 pass.
Level 1 done. Okay, so the second one. The second step is this. So now we're going to take one posture. And that one you kind of be in a position, yes, kind of like 45 degrees engineering. So this position is almost the same thing with this, but we are going to be doing it like this. It's like an yes, exactly. It's like an alternate movement to this. This one we are stamping and stamping, but we are instead taking and dropping, drop.
Yeah.
You understand? So instead of doing this we are doing. You understand? So this 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
This is hard part. We really need to. So.
Well, in fact, what we're going to do is that we'll use this and we'll enter this. Now, remember that Zanku, your leg must still be in this upward.
Okay, when you're doing this.
Yes. So that you get the posture, kind of. Okay, so we do this. We'll go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, nice. So now let's do the song. So now, stay like this. So I'll count for you. Just watch me first. Let me do it first.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Nice. Don't put your, let's not make it compare. Let's just put our hands like this. Okay, so let's go.
F-I-N-U-E-O
do the first one today. Don't worry, let's go, let's go. You can do this, you can do this, let's go. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Hey, let's go. Don't worry, you're good. Alright. Hey. Hey. Okay. Yes. So we've done part 1, part 2, remaining part 3. So part 3 is the last part.
I like that hooking.
This is the hooking part. Okay, so now this is hooking. The hooking is this. Or if you use your legs, this. Now this is the
I've seen it a lot, but I've never tried it.
So you just hook.
Oh.
We can do it several times. The hooking is like
okay.
You can do it. Then you hook, then you go down again, then you can still hook. You understand? So the hooking is, it can end it, and you can see it and continue it. It's a step on its own too. So now, this is the movement for the hooking. One leg drops, but as this leg is dropping, this one is going up. So you just do this. So yes, so you don't need to do this. I'm doing this, but you don't need to. You can just, this is the movement. This. It's as simple as that. So you just go.
It's not as simple, or that's it's not as simple, but I think I get what you're saying.
So you face side.
Okay. So you do 1, 2.
Yes.
1, 2.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it today.
Yeah.
1, 2.
1,
1, 2. So it's like 1.
But this leg must be up. There must be a movement of up and down. That now takes.
Okay, so why this one is dropping?
The other one is going up. Yes.
So it's
1, 2, 3.
Go. 1.
Again. So go 1, 2, 3. Go. Nice. So we do this 4 times. Or let's do it 6 times and then we hook.
Okay.
So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Go. 3, 4, 5. Zanku is like a very furious dance, as if you are vexing for somebody. So there is this other attitude that people give with this whole, as if they want to
like
kind of end you and stuff. So don't get it twisted when they are doing all that stuff. It's just this movement that is important. Any other thing you want to do is up to you. Some people just do their shoulders, some people do this, some people do that, everything. So
I like the kicking on.
So if you so like it's basically people that made it look that way, and all these people adding vex and then doing this, so there are lots of stuff happening. So but the basic thing about it is that this movement, yes, once you get that, you can add other flavors to it. So we'll add a bit of flavor to our own now.
To your own.
Our own.
I've not finished learning the basic one.
So add a bit of flavor to it. Body movements. 1, 2, 3, go. So now we'll roll. Yeah. Nice. 1, 2, 3, go.
I know you, E-O, N-O-I, N-O-R, F-I, I know you, E-O, bang! What I wanna be, E-O, N-O-I, N-O-R, F-I, I know you, E-O, N-O-I, F-I, I know you, E-O, N-O-I. Wanna be